Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the New Year's Eve and we are heading to my sister's place. She has invited us for a crossover. Yeah, so we are on our way there. And I stopped by the supermarket. You guys, you know me, I can't go to anyone's place empty-handed, whether we are related or not. So we passed by the supermarket. I bought these few items here that were needed. We also bought some drinks. Yes. And we also passed by KMC to buy some meat. So I bought a 1 kg of liver. We want to have some choma, liver choma. And I also bought another kg for the normal meat. And one thing about KMC is that their meat is cheap. I also got some chicken. Yeah, 1.3 kg of chicken. And then this one's here, we want to have some nyama choma as we usher in the new year. Yes, so that is the plan for today. Some nyama choma, and yeah, we have a good time as we usher in the new year. We keep seeing their eyeballs glued to us on the sidewalk, but that look could kill. Yeah, so this is what we did to the liver. As you can see, hubby there trying to have some choma and it turned out so good. The kids really enjoyed. By the way, it was very, very sweet. So here is just a little tidbits of what we did as we waited for the crossover. So as we wait for the new year, what are your plans? What are you aiming at achieving? Have you already made a vision board for the year 2025? Please let me know in the comment section. We are a vibe, girl. Disco, some fun like one of a kind, girl. Till morning's here. When opinions start to... So I got 2 cartons of milk. Those are 2 small ones. The kids usually take them after school. And I also got some few packets of flour. That is maize flour and wheat flour. I also got some drinking chocolate, coffee, some spices there, paprika, pilau masala, 2 packets of Royco. Then I got some cocoa powder, some cakes for the babies also, tomato sauce. And I also got 1 box of Indomie. I got 4 kgs of sugar and some Del Monte, 3 pieces of Del Monte. I got some margarine, dengu, salt, tea leaves. I bought some crisps. Those are their snacks also. I got bread and those 2 small mandazis and some juice. And I also got 2 cartons, yes, 2 cartons of milk, the 500 ml milk. And on this other side, I bought some serviettes, some tissue paper, 2 packets. I got some self-care stuff. I got bar soap, some bathing soap, detergent, some Downy. I've come to like this Downy fabric softener. They smell so nice. I got some toothpaste, some yogurt, some sausages, beef browns, and some smokies. So this will be for their breakfast or 4 o'clock snack. So that's all that I got from the supermarket. And all this is because of God's love and grace. And we thank Him for provision.
We keep seeing their eyeballs glued to us on the sidewalk, but that look could kill.
So this is the weekend before the kids open school, and I decided to take them for lunch. And I took them to their favorite spots. Yeah, so that is where we are going to have our lunch.
We don't care. And there's a village clown poof. Nobody's stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me. And making me laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me. And we can clown around, clown around. Yeah, and we can clown around. And it's just you and me. Oh, you and me are a vibe, girl. Disco, some fun like one of a kind, girl. Till morning's here. But when opinions start to guide us, we won't let them define us. No, we'll play it by ear. And I know that you're shy, but we can climb.
So our food is here at Fun City, and I've realized that we eat almost the same type of food every time we come here. The kids eat some fries, and I usually eat ugali with chicken and some kachumbari. So I think in future we'll have to change that. Yeah, so that's the chicken there. It is looking good and it is quite tasty. And this place has a live band. So as the kids play, they have a play area for the kids. So as the kids play, I also get to sit down and enjoy my drink as I listen to some music. So I find it a win-win situation. The kids have their fun. I also have my fun. Yeah, so that's what we are doing today. And it's back to school. The kids are quite excited for this new year. They're joining different grades now. And we thank God for the fact that He has brought us. And I want to wish everyone a happy new year. May this year bring you joy, success, and may it be a year of growth, achievement, and fulfillment. And may this year be an outstanding one.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away.
Child number 2 is home from school. He gets home earlier than child number 1. So today he's having some cupcakes. We love cupcakes. I enjoy making them. So every time I get some free time, I make some. So he's having some chocolate cupcakes with milk.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright.
So it's time to make our dinner. And the plan is the kids will eat some fries and the adults will take there's leftover rice and beans. So I'll just make some cabbage on the side so that we can eat with the leftover rice and beans.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. down too. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. One more
So my other child is home from school. She comes in a bit late. So it's time to take her snack before we start on our dinner. So she's taking some cupcakes and some juice.
I go, pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on a street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but and off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but and off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. I slip to the right, to the blue. I slip to the right, to the I slip to the right, to the I slip to the right. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but and off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but and off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah,
Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? Would you be waiting? Would you be waiting? Would you be waiting? Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you?
So this is our dinner today. Fries for the kids with some orange juice, and rice with beans and cabbage is what the adults in this house will be taking today.
Would you be waiting?